What if your daily business report was ready before your morning coffee? Most business owners spend the first hour of their day pulling numbers from 5 different tools, copying data into spreadsheets, and formatting reports. Today, I am going to show you 3 AI tools that do all of this automatically overnight so your morning report is waiting for you when you wake up. The first tool is Zapier AI. Zapier connects over 5,000 apps and automates the data flow between them. Here is how it works. You set up what Zapier calls Zaps, which are automated workflows. For example, you can create a Zap that pulls your daily sales from Shopify, your website traffic from Google Analytics, and your customer support tickets from Zendesk, all into one place every single morning at 6 a.m. The best part is Zapier AI can now suggest and build these automations for you. Just describe what you want in plain English, like every morning pull my sales data and email it to me. And Zapier builds the workflow. No coding required. Plans start at just $19 per month for the essentials. Tool number 2 is Google Sheets AI. Once Zapier delivers your raw data, Google Sheets AI turns it into a visual dashboard. Google Sheets now has built-in AI features that can auto-generate charts, create pivot tables, and even write formulas for you just by describing what you need. For example, you can type, "Create a bar chart comparing this week's sales to last week," and it builds it instantly. You can set up a template dashboard once, and every morning when Zapier feeds in fresh data, your charts update automatically. Your KPIs, revenue trends, and expense breakdowns all visualized without lifting a finger. Tool number 3 is ChatGPT. This is where the magic happens. You can connect ChatGPT to your workflow through Zapier so that every morning it receives your raw data and generates a written executive summary. Think of it as your personal AI analyst. ChatGPT can write things like, "Revenue is up 12% compared to last Tuesday. Customer support tickets dropped by 8%. 3 high-priority issues need attention today." It turns numbers into insights you can act on immediately. You can even have it emailed to you automatically every morning at 7 a.m. So here is your complete AI morning report stack. Zapier pulls the data automatically. Google Sheets AI visualizes it into dashboards. And ChatGPT writes your executive summary. Total cost, under $50 a month. Total time to set up, 1 afternoon. Time saved every single day, at least 1 hour. If this saved you time, hit that subscribe button for more AI tools that actually make your business run smarter. See you in the next one.